Let's create two ovals which are going to create a blob kind of effect for us. Let me duplicate this for the second one. Next, we need to add border to both of them. Let me make the border to 20 pixel, overlap and merge. We actually need to reduce border radius to some extent. You can just see the shape have just distorted. So let me make it 15 pixels. Yeah. Now we have one tiny problem. These pointed edges, they needs to be rounded rather. So we can just play around with the border options of the combined shape. You just need to click this tiny icon and make joins to rounded and ends to the rounded as well. That is it. We have just created the blob effect. Let's change its color. Let me make it black, and border obviously needs to be white so that this blob can merge with this background. Oops, we have this 1 pixel edge all around. So to get rid of this, we need to add one more border. Let's keep its position to center, color to white and make it 2 pixel. Let's try adding some interaction to it. For that, let me align it to the center and let me align both of these shapes to the center as well. Let me duplicate this artboard, and now let's push this shape to the top and this one to the bottom. Let's quickly add interaction by selecting this artboard and clicking this icon which is available right here. Trigger is going to be click, transition is going to be motion, and I've just saved. Let's play. Woo! Okay, one more thing. Let's go the other way as well. Click, save. Voila! We have a wonderful blob effect here. You can also create such a blob effect in your user interfaces. I have just created one lately. You can just have a look how it looks alike in your user interfaces. Let it open and then let me play it for you. Oops. Okay, so you can just see this interaction. I hope this trick will help you to create blob effect in your user interfaces as well. If you really loved the video, you can just hit the like button below and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Goodbye.